it's Megan from Contego, here with another quick Tip Tuesday video to help you bridge the gap between technology and your business. To ensure you get the most out of your Acumatica ERP system, let's look at some of the new user interface features Acumatica released in 2020 and 2021 that make Acumatica even easier to use. To begin, let's start by opening my recently viewed documents by clicking on the clock icon next to the universal search field.
While I'm here, I can mark certain records as favorites by clicking on the little star. If I have a few customers or vendors that I deal with all the time, I might want to mark those records as favorites. This helps me quickly open their records to find the information I need. Let's open a sales order that's been created and continue processing to see how the new workflow engine functions. When I open the sales order, I can see that my document status is on hold, and I can quickly see that the next logical action is to remove hold. In earlier versions of Acumatica, this first action button was almost always release. However, due to the document status, it was often grayed out and not available to be clicked, and it was difficult for new users to know what to do next. Additional actions are still available under the More Items menu button, but the Remove Hold option is highlighted with a little green light. With administrator access, if you want to view the workflow engine options, you can view the state diagram available under Customization, Show State Diagram. You can use this on any page utilizing the new feature. The current status of the document determines which actions are available. When I remove the document from hold, the buttons will update, and I will now have the available actions of Approve, Reject, or Put Back on Hold, because this document meets the approval requirements on our approval map. As the document approver, I'll click Approve to move the document along. I now have two options available to me. I can use either Quick Process or Create Shipment. Quick Processing can be configured for certain transaction types to combine multiple steps into a single click. This is configured for sales orders on the Quick Processing tab of the Order Types page. Let's use the Quick Process button. In the pop-up, I have the options of which documents I want to create. The system confirms the availability of the items on my sales order and will create the shipment documents for me. I can also have it post the inventory update and prepare the invoice. Let's select the default options and press OK. Now let's open the invoice that's just been created. I can take a look over the details, and my next step, based on the document status of balanced, is to release the document to post it. As a sales order invoice, it will now also be available in the Receivables module. Once the Accounts Receivable group receives payment from the customer, it's a simple click on the Pay button to open the payment screen and record that incoming cash. I can enter my payment details and hit Release. Our payment's been created.
We've looked at the recently viewed record screen and processed a document using Acumatica's new workflow engine buttons. For more support and information, visit contegogroup.ca/Acumatica or click the link in the description.